What's happening, everybody? All right, gonna do a quick ride-along video for you guys. Here at Moparmageddon. Annual track rental here at Houston Raceway Park. Says a 10.0. I'm going to guess that's actually about a 10.13-ish pass. PA is negative 390. I'm sorry, 372 at last check. But let's see what the scoreboard says. Car's running good. Stock boost 93 octane, 309 gear. A little bit of a drag pack. And that's it. Little Miss Chandelier. Oh, I can see it. Looks like it ran at 1013. The board's just cleared out. Yeah, it looks like it was a 1013. So, yep, about right. But there you go. There's your ride-along. 1013. It probably was about 132. I didn't see the mile an hour. But there you go. That is a wrap. Adios.